Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you whether you can change your country on your Gamerant account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gamerant.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gamerant website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your email address and password or by using your social accounts. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change your country within your account, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then click on My Profile. Now, whatever settings you can change within your profile will be available within the Edit Profile option. Go ahead and click on it and you will see various different options. However, there is no option to set your country or change it, and your country or region doesn't even appear within your profile at all. But if in case you wish to use the language of a different country or region for your website, then you can technically do this by using Google Translate. Once you log into your account from your Chrome browser, just click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on Translate. Once you click on this, you will be able to select your desired language and translate this page into a different region. Other than this, there is no direct option to change your country or region within your Gamerant account. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about changing your country or region on Gamerant. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.